We're taping over that old tape that had the news on it from somewhere. I think I'll get it off though. And there's got the date in there. Guess I could take that out since we got it on there. And I wanted to come out here. This is the first time we've seen a blue in the sky for 2 weeks. We've had storm after storm. Thought we'd get out here and get a picture of what they say is record amount of snow in Salt Lake for this early in the year. Early in the snow year, from October through March. And I've been out here snow blowing and blowing and blowing. So I thought we'd get out here. I got another 3 or 4 or 5 inches to take off this morning after I took off 2 inches last night. Let's see. I don't know. Gives you an idea of the side of the driveway. Yeah, why don't you get out there and stand by it? Give some. Yeah, don't. That's just what fell last night. What is that? 4, 5, 6 inches? Yeah. And you can see that it's what, 3 or 4 feet high at the side of the driveway. And yeah, they didn't even get by and plow the road last night. I guess they've been out trying to figure out how they're gonna get the main roads open. There's our tree that's underneath it's about a 3 or 4 foot tree, and it's underneath the snow.
God, it's really beautiful though.
I don't want to walk in it, because if you step in it, you press it down, then it gets real hard to get up, and if you leave it there for over a day, it freezes, and then it's like concrete. So I'm going to use the blower and blow off some of this, and then I guess I'll walk down the sidewalk and get down there. Then we'll get some in the backyard too. All right, Diana, you gonna get a picture of me out here with the snowblower?
Yeah, thought I would.
Okay, I'll turn it off until I can get my coat on.
Every morning, Mark gets up 5 o'clock and blows off the snow. It's a city ordinance that you have to get rid of your snow off your sidewalks within an hour of the snow stopping, or dawn, whichever comes first. Yeah, you see how deep it is, and what he's already blown off. Right now he's trying to get the snow out into the road. The road crews haven't been by yet, which is a little unusual, but it is Saturday, so they should be coming soon. But the road is getting to be snow-packed, but you have to get the snow out and around so that when they come by, you don't get your driveway all blocked in again. Right now we're having a problem because the snow's getting so high and the blower is a small one. We should have gotten a bigger one. We're getting to the limit where the blower can blow the snow up over the mound of snow we've got. Supposed to get another storm tomorrow afternoon, so it'll be the longest reprieve we've had in weeks, if it waits that long. it will be nice to see the sun and the blue sky again. A lot of people are having to shovel off their roofs because they have flat roofs. Anyways, I'm going to let Mark show you more of the snow a little bit later, but I thought you'd be interested in seeing the snowblower. It's kind of a fun deal. You can see the trees and the mounds and everything else that we've got. He's got that chute all the way up, which normally he doesn't do. He normally shoots it out to the side, but obviously he can't at this point. But it is beautiful out here. It's just gorgeous to see all this beautiful, beautiful snow. But, you know me, I generally don't talk so much on this, so I'll go for now. And we're going to see you in another week. Bye.
I guess the last film on here was the snowblower. I don't know if you got a sense of how much snow there was, but I've got that vent on that thing cranked all the way up and blowing it almost straight up because it won't blow sideways or at a 45-degree angle anymore because the piles are too high. You got to shoot it up over the top. Anyway, I thought I'd come out here on the back and get a picture of the water feeder. That's last night's snow on it, and you can see the top of it is right to the snow. I mean, that's 2 feet, 3 feet deep, and the old snow that fell 2 and 3 weeks ago, of course, is compressed underneath it. So, and there's some of the birds and quail and stuff that are coming to the feeders. Unfortunately, we can't put any water out. It freezes as fast as we put it out, and they need some water, but I don't know, they figure out some other place to get it. Here's another feeder that we put up. You get an idea of the snow up here, icicles and stuff. Tons. Mountains. We're going to be going, I just heard something. Oh, there he goes, walking away. We're going to be going skiing tomorrow morning. I expect there's probably 120-inch base up there. And tons. If I can get up there. Sure, the roads are all real bad, snow-packed and stuff. This is as clear as it's been for, you know, I don't know, 3 or 4 days, and really, we've gotten on and off snow for a couple of weeks. It's great. We need as much as we can because we've had 6 years of drought where we've had enough water, but we've run the reservoirs all the way down. This was the year they were going to put in some water rationing for watering yards and stuff. Well, I don't know. We're going to walk up in the canyon here in a little bit. Take our neighbor's big dog up there. What's going to be interesting is the elk are coming down, deer, moose, and everything. They're coming down out of the mountains because it's been snowing so hard, and they can't get down to the grass. So they keep coming down and down and down until the snow is only a couple of feet deep, and then they can get at it. So we may run into elk and stuff. They're down, you know, right along that road that we drive right at the base of those mountains over there, Foothill Drive and Wasatch Drive. The elk are down, and some of them are starting to get hit in the roads. I hear that cat again. Which cat is that? Thomas the Peacat? Thomas. Hey. Thomas. Okay, yeah, now roll over, play dead. Okay, good. Now sit up. Okay, good. Now, bark. Okay, good. Fetch. Good, good. All those cats know to do is grow fur. Well, I don't know. What else? Maybe we'll get some other photogs on here. Thought we get a picture of them shoveling the snow off the house. We got gloves on now and I can't do this zoom. See if I can figure out how to make this thing. That's what they're driving because they got more of a flat roof and the weight of the snow will collapse the roof. They had that happen about 10 years ago. There he is over there getting the snow off his driveway. Hey, Molly. Well, we came up to the canyon. I'll turn around, but it'll probably all just get blurred out because it's snowing again. And this is into the wind. And probably get an idea. I can hardly see out of this. It just started snowing again. It was pretty clear.
Go get Diana, help
Hey.
Come on, rescue dog.
Oh, I don't know. All I can see out the viewer is just this big blur because it's snowing.
Yeah, don't worry about it. It's pretty bad. You have to get it that going that way. Come on.
I can't. You don't get a sense of how deep it is. Well, maybe you did when you saw Molly. It's 2 or 3, 4 feet. It's like that when we went up snowmobile and Michael stepped off the snowmobile path and went about 3 or 4 feet into the snow into his waist.
Oh, God. Go around, Mark. Go on, Mark. Run, honey.
Hey, Molly. The crazy dog. Well, the viewfinder is all fogged up, snowed up. I just wanted to get some more pictures of the area. Incredible. Still snowing. Supposed to get a big storm tomorrow. I don't know if that'll happen or not. I can see a little bit better out of this viewfinder now, and I can see the guy up here clearing the roof. All the flat roofs up here can take, well, I don't know, 2 or 3 feet of snow, and that's about where they are, so they either get it off or it's in the living room.
I'll take a picture of Mark. Take a picture. Yeah, but then I'll get a picture of your mine.
Keep backing up and that 40-ton snow truck will come by and give you a present. Hey, Molly!
Molly! Our lights are buried under there. There's Mark. Mark!
I want to back up and get a picture of this roof. The
Molly! Molly!
every snowblower within 500 miles is sold.
Molly! Molly, turn around! I don't know if you did it or not. It's got a real quick one.
It don't make a noise.
Okay.
Over here. Incredible, huh?
Yeah, it really is.
It's hard to imagine when it's 95 degrees and in the summertime and that we got 6 feet of snow.
Honey, I don't know if I'm fogging up or if the lens is fogging up. You're the.
Look at this end of the driveway here, the mountain. There. Some of these people haven't plowed it out. So that's okay. I guess you probably got.
What's the blinking F mean? That the interstate isn't bad because this back road isn't. Yeah, that's true.
But they said this morning it was snow packed and slick.
Well, it will be this afternoon though. Another storm coming in.
Surprised we haven't seen any elk. They were there last weekend when Jimmy went.
Probably see them as we get to the top of the hill here.
Saw that one back there. Snow was up to his waist. Well, we didn't go skiing. It's snowing over there by the Deer Valley Mountain.
Is it?
I think it drifts over here. That one must be 8 feet high. These are 3 feet. Tops of the snow markers.
like that song.
No. Not that one either. That ridge top up there is getting a cornice building. Big edge. Snowmobilers love it. They can get on East Canyon right here. They can go 20 miles up the other way.
Huh, that's true. Well, here it is. Monday the 11th. We're going to start calling Mark the Snow Bunny. He just likes doing this. He prays for snow every day. How much snow did we get today, honey?
Well, about a foot. I blew this off last night, and then this foot landed today. I gotta try and blow it out into the street to hope it'll get off. Looks like it's halfway clearing, but can't really tell. And I think we're due another storm in a couple of days, so trying to get this off.
It's unbelievable.
I mean, it's
We're waiting for the guys to come and take the snow off the roof. They haven't gotten here yet. They're supposed to be here sometime today. I'll get out as soon as Mark starts blowing the snow away again. I'll get out and give you a good picture of the snow on the roof. They let us off early today because we'd had so much snow.
They wanted people to go home and get it off their roofs so their roof wouldn't be in their living room.
Here we go.
This is going to be nice and loud.
Struggling a little bit because it's so big. Thank goodness he did this last night. There's the roof. It's really thick. There it is down the valley. Unreal. That's unbelievable. Now our bush is totally gone. I'll take a picture in the back so y'all can see. I heard the birds off as I came out here. That lump down there by the tree is the bird bath. Totally gone now. Thank goodness I filled up the feeder this weekend. so the birds could eat something. But it's just unbelievable. The snow is actually so beautiful, but boy, it has just been one after another after another. But it's been kind of fun too. But it's still snowing up in the mountains, as you all probably can see. It's hard to see in this viewfinder. I don't know how Mark does it, but they still have some birds down there, the poor things. But it's just unreal. Well, anyways, it's a little slippery out here, so I think I'm going to turn this sucker off.